might have seen a YouTube video that my 8-year-old made called 8-Year-Old Teaches College Students How to Do the Laundry. He made that video because he had a college-age babysitter see that he was working on the laundry as his chore and say, "Oh, I have friends in college who don't know how to do that." And he said, "Aren't they embarrassed?" I don't know about you, but I do not want to pay university money for a school to teach my kids grocery shopping and cooking and laundry skills. They'll be happy to, though, because a lot of universities actually have credit courses to learn adulting skills. If you are parenting a teenager or young adult and one or the other of you have realized that among the million things that did happen in their teenage years, they somehow missed those basic household skills, it's never too late. Your young adult might not want to learn those skills from you. They might be happy to, but they might feel like it's not the right time in your relationship for them to be learning chores from you. That's okay, but it doesn't get them off the hook. Encourage them to look for other ways to learn them. YouTube videos is just one way. There are a lot of resources they can find. But don't gloss over those, even if you realize pretty late in the game that these skills got missed somehow. Knowing how to clean a bathroom, make a doctor's appointment, change a tire, do some laundry, these are the things that make the rest of life, the fun parts of life, go more smoothly, and everybody needs them.